Hello YouTube, I have an update on my Cen GST 7.7. I got a brand new engine right here. I found it on eBay. And seller said this one is unused, and seller also accepted like returns, 30-day return. So I take a shot on it, and then yeah, it's new. I disassemble it. Look at the piston and the sleeve, everything. I don't think it's been used. I'm not seeing any fuel in there. So, and the reason why I got this, because the engine it comes with, I think this one is like almost dead, close to dead. It will run, but no power, hard to start. Also found a chip on the wrist pin on the piston. So this engine will fail if I still run this engine. It will fail. So I better try to put it in the shelf. I can still use this part. Yeah, in the future maybe I need a block or something, or the head is still good. And also the seller also included this. It's a Nova 0.46 Pro Race, and also since I got a bunch of stuff for this engine though, it comes a lot of stuff, a lot of parts. I just found out that this 7.6 head shim will fit on this Truckzilla right here, 0.46. It's about, I think it's the same size. So I finally found the parts for this Truckzilla, and then put a Nova the Nova head right here, which looks a lot better than the stock one. Here's the stock one here, the Truckzilla. It's broken, and I bolted in another block, 7.6 block. Yes, like I said, I got a bunch of parts that comes with this engine right here. Even a new header for the GST. Well, I think I got a good deal on this, because I'm looking up this engine, and on eBay, brand new one, it cost me like $200 for just the engine alone. And with this one, I only paid $220 for everything. And I almost, the parts that this engine comes with, I can build another truck. Just few things needed, few parts. Yeah, it comes with the transmission, front and rear dips, everything. Yeah, I think it's a good deal though. So today we are going to start breaking this engine. I will do like 3 idle on the bench, and then tomorrow maybe I will start putting it in the ground. So yep, let's head out to my garage and let's give her a first start. So I'll put fuel on it. I'll just put like a few only, like a half tank, and then when it starts running, I will add more. By the way, I'll do the break-in with a Beefy Master 25% nitro. So once we have the fuel in there, we just heat up the engine though. Just heat it up. Roll it up. It will make the starting easy. We have the weather now here is like we're like in the spring or summer 70s, and then it's pouring down. I'll be doing 3 tanks either on idle on the bench, and maybe next day we'll be start putting it in the ground, start running it. Yeah. Let's see. Flow. Fuel on the line now. Let's see. Oh, start it. For a start, we'll see if this engine will start right away. First start. Done with the third tank, and next will be we will run it on the ground. That's going to be the next, maybe next week, since I can't do it today because the ground is still wet. We have rains here this morning, and I try to look a better place to finish the bricking. And yeah, the hardest part was the first tank. I ran into trouble starting it. The needles are on the ridge side, and one of the carb, the high speed barrel is loose, so I have fuel around here, tightening it up, and just couple try, and I had this engine to run. It was able to run an engine, but it takes a lot of patience, man. Braking engine takes a lot of patience. That's the secret right there. So that's it for now. Till the next video. I'm out.